let's take a look at the Defender. It's another one of those small clear plastic electric BB guns. Again, I can't take this too serious. This little feature is okay, I guess. Yeah, it's got small hands. But BBs go in the top here. Already open, but anyway, BBs go in there. Close it up. And it's got a safety here that you just hold down to fire. I've seen a few more reviews on YouTube of this gun. Everyone rates it quite highly, and I've got to say that the bullets are just, the firing is just amazing. The bullets just seem to be in slow motion and float in the air for such a long time. It's got great distance, it's got a great hop up on it. The hop up system is probably one of the best I've seen, definitely in a small gun. We're out of BBs, let's just refill that. Okay, we're all filled up, so let's just show you empty. The rate is much slower than the XM177, but these BBs seem to float in the air wherever they go, very slowly. The distance is much greater. There you go, that's the Defender. Again, a gun I can't take too seriously, but great fun when you use it. It's absolutely superb. Worth having a look.